Happening this morning, a local mother and her estranged husband, both charged with murder, will appear in court for the first time since their arrest. Shanna, Gardner and Mario Fernandez are charged with orchestrating the ambush murder of Gardner's ex-husband, Jared Bridegan.
Bridegan was shot and killed just minutes after dropping the twins he shared with Gardner off at her Jacksonville Beach home in 2022. Fernandez's attorneys recently asked State Attorney Melissa Nelson's office to be disqualified from trying the case.
They argue prosecutors are using privileged and private communication, including text messages and emails, as evidence. Prosecutors responded yesterday saying the motion is improper and lacks lawful grounds. As News4Jax reporter Ashley Harding reports, now it'll be up to the judge to decide.
Up until now, Shanna, Gardner and Mario Fernandez had appeared in court separately. Starting today, the couple will face the judge together as co-defendants in the murder of Jared Bridegan. While the husband and wife are being tried together, they've each hired their own attorneys. Gardner is represented by Jose Baez, who has requested a mountain load of discovery from prosecutors. In their call to have the Fourth Judicial Circuit disqualified from trying the case, Fernandez's attorneys accused prosecutors of using privileged communications between Fernandez and Gardner, and communications protected by attorney-client privilege. These communications included text messages. In their response released Thursday morning, prosecutors said it was a simple oversight by a third party, saying it happened while uploading a massive amount of data to an e-discovery platform without labeling the confidential communications. The oversight, which involved uploading a few emails and one text between the defendant and his attorneys, was an unintentional act by the third-party vendor. The statement went on to say after realizing what happened, the prosecutor contacted the defense teams to alert them to the oversight and immediately disabled the platform to ensure none of the emails or the text were reviewed by anyone. No one from the prosecution team or the state attorney's office reviewed any privileged emails or texts. Gardner and Fernandez both face the death penalty if they're convicted in Bridegan's murder. In court documents, prosecutors say they should face death because the two sought financial gain. Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.
The hearing begins this morning at 9. News4Jax will be there, and we plan to stream the hearing live. Sign up for our push alert so that you know as soon as it begins.